Hi there, this is Alex, dude. I'll be doing a quick experience of ordering a free COVID antigen test from U.S. government. This is the website where I order it from. I'm sure everyone's used this website. It says over here that it'll take 7 to 12 days. From my own experience, it took roughly 9 days to receive these free tests. Here are some quick answers. Hopefully this answers most of your stuff so you don't have to watch the rest of this video. One is, what COVID test do you receive? You receive this IHealth COVID-19 test, rapid antigen test. And so this is what they send. I wish I would have just mentioned that. If you receive something else other than this, please let me know. I checked with someone else who received it, and he also got an iHealth antigen test. How long did it take me? It took me 9 days. When you order it from the website, you get an order number that's emailed to you. And then you do get an email tracking number, but for me, I received the same day that it was shipped. So 9 days later, I received a tracking number. So it wasn't exactly helpful, but it was kind of nice just to have it that same day. And finally, how is it packaged? Well, it's packaged in a regular package plastic envelope with bubble wrap inside. That's it. So hopefully that'll answer some questions about this, what you're gonna get after ordering it. And this is the USPS website where you order it. It's very easy, super easy, and you'll receive like a confirmation after you order it. This is the email that I received. It's very straightforward. And so I placed mine on the 18th of January. Nothing, I didn't receive anything for 9 days. And then on the 9th day, on January 27th, I received 2 emails actually. The first email said it was going to arrive on the 31st, so in 4 days. And then, strange. Later, I'm not sure when, but a second email was sent stating that I would receive the package the same day. So January 27th. This is what the package looks like. Like I said, it's just a regular plastic envelope. And it was shipped supposedly from USPS Topeka, Kansas, and 500 Southwest Gary Ormsby Drive. And this is what I got. iHealth antigen test. So final thoughts is, sorry, I mistakenly put 8 days here, but it took 9 days to get my free COVID test, and it's within the range of what the website said it would be. I wish it would have got. I wish they would have sent the tracking information sooner. I'm not sure if, in my case, this was normal, so that's why I'm kind of made this video just to see what other people's experience was. Hopefully, they received their tracking information a little earlier, and so maybe my case was special. Finally, my last thought was I have a family of 6, and unfortunately, just an order of 4 COVID tests wouldn't cover my whole family. And so this is where I'm kind of a little confused. Like, how can I get the appropriate number of free tests so that I can properly test my family? The website doesn't really mention that, and so sort of in limbo, but I ended up ordering more tests on my own, and I'm trying to get reimbursed through my healthcare provider. So we'll see if that works or not. So United Health is my healthcare provider, so we'll see how easy that goes. I already sent my reimbursement last week, and I'm just waiting on to see if they reimburse me. So those are my final thoughts, and hopefully this little timeline of my experience helps people and assuages any fears. Have a good day.